channel. Today, a young and energetic guest has come to our show. It's none other than Mr. Selva Sarvesh, Chief Justice of Child Welfare Committee. I welcome you, sir. Sir, we are so happy to have you. How do you feel?
Nice to meet you. I am very happy to take part in this program.
Sir, tell us what is justice meant by?
Without justice and love, peace will always be a great illusion.
How do we show justice in our daily life?
Don't be afraid to think small or big. Learn about your cause, reach out to the people, find or create solutions with assistance.
Sir, what is the benefit of being justice?
Everyone gets essentials, everyone gets good health, it protects people from discrimination racism, it promotes equality, it promotes gender equality.
Wow, amazing, sir. Hope you all understood what is justice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for calling me. Have a nice day.
Okay, friends, this is the time to say bye-bye. See you with another celebrity shining off remarkable Ria.